What's up guys? It's me, Mark Anthony Librado from Bachelor of Science in Criminology, Section C. So today I'm gonna show you some examples of the Fibonacci spirals. Let's go!
Oh, I'm never gonna give it up. No, please don't wake me now.
So guys, I'm here at the fish pond and I am gonna show you one of the best examples of Fibonacci spiral. 3, 4.
This is gonna be the best day of my life.
So here it is, the suso.
This is gonna be the best day of my life.
So the Fibonacci spiral can be discovered in nature, such as the spiral of the seashells, the petals of the flowers, and the head seed of the sunflower. So as you can see here guys, this shell represents the pattern of the Fibonacci spiral. So this spiral helps them survive in their habitat and protects themselves from their predators.
This is gonna be the best day of my life. My life.
So this one guys is also an example of Fibonacci spiral. So this cactus I'm holding right now also shows the pattern of the Fibonacci spiral. So this pattern makes this cactus more attractive and beautiful to the eye of the people. This pattern also makes this cactus more unique than any other plants. The Fibonacci sequence was first discussed in Europe by Leonardo of Pisa, whose nickname was Fibonacci in the early 13th century. So this sequence produced a large amount of literature and has connections to many branches of mathematics. So that's it guys, I hope you've learned something from this video. Thank you for watching.
No, just don't wait.